Hello, so I'm going to talk a little bit now about male factor. If you're trying to conceive and you haven't been successful, maybe you've had some tests done, which is always advisable, especially if you're older and you're concerned. Just start those tests done. Doesn't mean you're committing to anything, but if you have had your sperm analysis done and there's male factor fertility issues, then you've got some options. So I think really feedback from the clinics is that they don't really see this as so much of a problem because they can circumnavigate it, because basically they can just do ICSI if you're having IVF and select which sperm they think is the healthiest and the fittest. So for them, they're like, okay, we can just look through a microscope and just pick the best one and just so it's not a problem anymore. But I think if you have had male factor, it's worth, men make new sperm every 3 months. So actually male factor can sometimes, depending on the issue, be easier to treat than female factor. So females are more complex in every way, men can be more simple. And it's the same for, fertility issues as well. So, can have a really good difference in sperm quality just from changing diet, having supplements and coming for acupuncture. So I quite often will also refer to a herbalist that I work with who might prescribe some herbs to try and boost the male factor sort of sperm quality as well. So even if you have decided that you're going to go for IVF or IUI, it's definitely worth coming and working with us, with acupuncturists and herbalists, to boost that sperm quality even before you start the IVF process, because it's definitely not going to hurt. And then when you're actually going through the IVF, then we would prefer to see the woman. So the man has done his job in the preceding 3 months, working on his sperm quality and his sperm count, and then when you're actually starting the IVF process, then that is the time when actually I would want to start treating the woman in the couple, actually a bit before, just to make sure that you're in really good health to give you the best chance of success.